Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I got some blueberries to eat, some water. It's a nice day outside, so I decided to eat outside. I got these from Aldi. Really good, really cheap too. Can't forget the water. It's a pretty warm winter this year. I wash these off in the sink. Very tasty blueberries. Very clear day. No clouds today. Let me just get my claw in there. So during the spring, these azaleas bloom out really pretty. But right now they're just kind of green and brown. Just get one more claw full. Actually, one more. Very good. Good water. And I think that about does it. I did about 1 serving of blueberries. I'll probably eat the rest later. So everyone have a good day.